Fortnite Error Code 91. Unable to join party. Here are 5 fixes that actually work.
Error code 91 means your game failed to connect to the party service. When you try to join a friend, Fortnite contacts Epic Online Services. If that connection fails, you get Error 91. This can happen because of server overload, strict NAT settings, disabled crossplay, corrupted cache, or wrong privacy settings.
Solution 1. Check the server status. Go to status.epicgames.com. Look for Fortnite. If any service shows an outage, just wait for Epic to fix it. You cannot fix a server-side problem from your end.
Solution 2. Restart everything. Close Fortnite completely, then restart your device. Finally, unplug your router for 60 seconds and plug it back in. This clears stale session tokens and fixes 60 to 80% of cases. Solution 3. Check your party privacy settings. Open Fortnite settings. Set online status to online. Set party joinability to friends. Set matchmaking region to public. Pro tip: toggle from private to public, then back to friends. This forces a fresh session ID.
Solution 4. Enable crossplay on every platform. On PlayStation, go to Settings, Privacy, Cross-Platform Play, and set it to Allowed. On Xbox, go to Settings, Online Safety, Cross-Network Play, and allow it. On Switch, check your parental controls. Then in Fortnite, go to Account and Privacy and enable Cross-Platform Play. Everyone in the party must have crossplay enabled. Solution 5. Fix your NAT type. Open NAT lets you join any party. Moderate NAT may cause some issues. Strict NAT blocks most party connections. To fix this, enable UPnP on your router. You can also forward UDP ports 5222 and 5795 through 5847.
Here are the 5 root causes. First, server overload. Millions of players connecting at once after a major update. Second, strict NAT. Your router is blocking the connection. Third, crossplay disabled. Your platform settings are blocking cross-platform parties. Fourth, corrupted cache. Stale session data is breaking the connection. Fifth, wrong privacy settings. Your party is set to private or invite only. Here are 4 more quick fixes. On PC, verify your game files in the Epic launcher. On console, clear your cache through safe mode or a full power cycle. On PC, flush your DNS and reset your network stack. And try switching your matchmaking region to a different server. Each of these can resolve lingering connection issues.
That is how you fix Fortnite Error Code 91. Check servers, restart everything, fix your settings, enable crossplay, and fix your NAT type. Subscribe to ErrorFixer for more gaming fixes.